How to fix Instagram blend, feature not showing. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you exactly how to fix Instagram blend feature, not showing, and get the blend feature working on your app. Just follow along step by step. Blend is a cool feature that creates a shared Reels feed between you and a friend, based on content both of you like, watch, or share. It's a fun way to discover new Reels together and enjoy a more personalized experience. But sometimes it doesn't show up, and that's exactly what we're here to fix. The first thing you can try is sending a few Reels to a friend via direct message. Once Instagram notices you're regularly sharing Reels back and forth, it may automatically unlock the blend feature for you. Keep an eye out for a small blend button in the top right corner of your chat screen. This is where it usually appears once it's available. If the blend feature still isn't showing up, the next step is to make sure your Instagram app is fully up to date. The blend feature is only available in the latest versions of Instagram. So here's how to make sure you're up to date. Head to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to install. After the update, open Instagram again, go to a conversation with a friend, and check if the blend option is now visible. If the blend feature still isn't showing up, there might be a bug or a temporary glitch in the app causing the problem. Here's how to fix that. Open your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. This may vary slightly depending on your device. Search for Instagram in the Apps list, or just use the search bar to locate it quickly. Tap on it to open the app settings, then head over to the storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now go back and tap Force Stop to fully restart the app. This won't delete your Instagram data. It just clears temporary files that may be causing bugs. Reopen the app, head into a chat with a friend, and look for the blend button again. If you've tried all 3 steps and the blend feature still isn't there, it might not be your fault. Instagram rolls out new features gradually, and sometimes they're only available in certain countries or to select users at first. If that's the case, the best thing you can do is keep your app updated regularly. Try again after a few days, and keep an eye on Instagram's announcements for wider rollouts.